Hi guys, my name is Felix Sam and today I'll be introducing to you yet another project I've built together with my friend.
Hello guys, my name is Johnson Jordan and together with my colleagues we just built a smart farm system and we are here to tell you everything you need to know about it.
So
Let's get into it.
Guys, so this is a real-time smart farm project, and this is a mini project that checks your soil moisture content. Also, it has temperature and humidity sensors, so you can know the temperature and the humidity in your farm. It also have a sensor that checks the water level. So for that we are using how do we call it, ultrasonic sensor, which is right here. So if I should open here and show you guys, you can see we have ultrasonic sensor, and inside here you can see we have a motor water pump right there. And the ultrasonic sensor here, what the task is performing is to check the level of the water. So we have the display here which shows you everything. There is an application for it as well. So on the display you can see the T there is for temperature, the H is for the humidity, S is for the water content in the soil. So we have the soil moisture sensor in the soil now, and where it is now, you can see there is moisture content in that soil. So you can see that's why the S is 100%. We also have W, and W there stands for the water level. Okay, so now the water level is 85%. If my friend have to remove that, you can see that's changed. Just close it. And we have the app here. This application is working in real time, so it displays all the values from all the various sensors. The top one here you can see is the water level. Yeah, that's the soil moisture. You can see it's 100% because it's currently in that. And we have the water level as well. Over here we have the temperature and the humidity, which is displaying in real time. So what I'll do now is to remove the soil moisture sensor. So once I remove the soil moisture sensor, you can see the values will change, and if there is no water in the soil, the motor will automatically pump water into the soil. But I don't want to pump water here because it will definitely pour on the floor. So what I'll do is to pump the water into this particular bowl which you see. So just remove the soil moisture sensor, and immediately he removes it, the motor will trigger, and you can see there is water pumping. So you can see now the water is pumping. So this water will be going to the soil, and it will pump for some time. It will be going to the soil until there is enough water or moist in the soil. And after then you can see what happens here. It's telling you everything, syncing the data in real time. So yeah, soil moisture now is 100%. You can see on the mobile phone it takes some time to reflect because it needs to send this to the cloud. He has removed it again, and you can see water starts pumping once again. So basically this is how the system works. It's a smart farm system that works well and it works efficiently. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.